Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. So you're thinking of selling your house. Should you redo that kitchen that's been bothering you for a while? It's a good question. Kitchen is typically the biggest bang for your buck when redoing something around the house. However, kitchens can also be very expensive and you might not recoup all that money. So the short answer, it depends. If you're working with a really old kitchen and the rest of the house is redone and looks great, then yes, I'd probably redo it, but of course watching the bottom line, and I might not do it super high end. However, if the rest of the house is just okay and my kitchen hasn't been updated in 20 years, I probably wouldn't touch it because it's not going to make that much of a difference. Kitchens can be very expensive, so make sure that you kind of take that into account and have a professional come take a look at it beforehand, give you an idea of what the price would be without redoing it and with redoing it. I hope that helps. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group.